Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Capsa. Today we are diving into a fascinating topic that affects all of us at some point hiccups. You might think they are just a little annoyance, but there is actually a lot of science behind why we get them. So let's explore what causes hiccups and what happens in our bodies when they occur. First up, what are hiccups? Medically, they are known as singultus. Hiccups are involuntary contraction of the diaphragm, the muscle that separates our chest from our abdomen. When this muscle contracts suddenly, we quickly inhale air, which causes a hic sound when the vocal cords snap shut. It's a simple process, but it can lead to a lot of confusion and curiosity. So, what causes these contractions? There are several common triggers. Eating too quickly can irritate the diaphragm due to stomach expansion. Consuming spicy foods, drinking carbonated beverages, and sudden temperature changes can also lead to hiccups. Additionally, emotional stress or excitement can stimulate the nervous system and trigger hiccups. And don't forget, laughing or crying excessively can irritate the diaphragm too. So, next time you get a case of the hiccup, consider what might have lead to it. Now, let's dig a little deeper into the science. Hiccups involve a reflex arc, which is a neural pathway that includes the diaphragm and the phrenic nerve. When something irritates this nerve, it sends a signal to the diaphragm to contract involuntarily. This contraction is what causes the hiccups. Is not it fascinating how your body works in such a intricate ways? The phrenic nerve plays a crucial role in this process as it's responsible for sending signals from our brain to the diaphragm. Hiccups usually last for a few minutes and are harmless. However, persistent hiccups can last for more than 48 hours and may indicate an underlying health issues. So it's important to consult to your doctor in those cases. For typical hiccups, many people find relief by holding their breath, drinking a glass of water, or swallowing a teaspoon of sugar. Other methods include breathing into a paper bag or applying gentle pressure on diaphragm. Give them a try next time you are hiccuping. Now, here are some fun facts about hiccups. Did you know that babies can actually hiccup while still in the womb? It's true. And longest recorded case of hiccups lasted an astonishing 68 years. Hiccups are also more common in men than women. And even some animals like dogs can experience hiccups. Is not it that interesting? To wrap it up, hiccups are an interesting phenomenon caused by involuntary contraction of the diaphragm. We have explored common triggers and science behind them, and some effective treatments options which are available. Now, I would love to hear from you. Have you ever had a hiccup that just would not go away? What methods do you use to get rid of your hiccups? Do you have any funny hiccup stories to share? If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more engaging contents. Thanks for watching. See you next time.